Hi, this is Jim Scott with Team Scott Homes, your trusted real estate resource. Anyways, I have some rentals and we always have to do carpet and paint when we have turnover. And here's a quick tip for you happy homeowners. What I do is on my baseboard, I used to go along with masking tape, and then I would come back and hit it with a roller. That is no longer needed. The professionals, if you've got the patience, have a cut-in brush and we'll cut it out and then do rolling the rest of the wall. I've got a quick trick that find yourself a straight edge. It's good for like a wallpaper scraper. And what I do is basically put it up against and then I roll it along the baseboard. And it works slick. Anyways, I've been able to churn and burn and I gotta finish my project. Don't tell my wife so she won't know my value of being a painter for her. Thanks for watching.